Hello guys, it's me again, just to show you what is the actual motion on the camera with the step-and motor. So here you go. I'm gonna put 100 centimeters object distance, and here you go. So it's moving slowly and is adding 2.647 centimeters. There you go. So if I want to go to infinity again, let's put it back. And it's back where it was. There you go. So it's pretty slow, but it's not that bad. And just like to add all communications between the HTML page and the camera through Wi-Fi. So there is no cable or anything between the camera and the HTML page. It's all done through Mosquito. There you go, guys. Bye bye.